injury therapy. We're currently on episode 4 of our 5-part series on how to use the massage gun to help the partner with discomfort or pain. We're going to work on posterior knee pain, which is a common one. We're going to work through the gluteal crease, onto the hamstrings, and down onto the calves as well. Let's go. Okay guys, this is first exercise for the posterior knee pain, and we're going to concentrate on the gluteal crease, just below the glutes. We're going to go with the flat head, and we're going to go for level 5, so we want to get deep in there. So we're just going to run into the tendons, and we're going to stay here on each one for about 10 seconds. Just going to run laterally to medial and then back across. So around 10 seconds on each one, and this will really help ease up the border that the hamstrings cross into the glutes. We're going to move on to exercise 2 now. Exercise 2, we're going to work through the hamstrings. Just like the quads, we're going to take them as a whole group. We're going to use the flat head, and we're going to stick it on 3. We're going to stick it on the medium center. And we're going to ask our partner to bring our leg up and keep it there. And we're just going to run up through the hamstrings. We're just going to work lateral side, into the middle, and then into the medial side. We're going to spend around a minute. You can spend longer, and we're just going to keep working, looking for some nasty spots. We're going to move on to exercise 3 now, and we're going to look at the calves. For our third and final exercise, we're going to concentrate on the calves. We're going to use the small ball head, and we're going to set this as a setting of 2. There's 2 heads on the calf, the medial head and the lateral head, and we're just going to hold your partner's leg down, and we're just going to run through the medial head, and we'd spend about 30 seconds on each head, just running through it, looking for some tight areas. I'm going to move on to the lateral head. Same again, 30 seconds, just running up, helping to release that tightness that might be up around the posterior knee. That's our 3 exercises done. That's our 3 exercises done for posterior knee pain. We ran through the gluteal crease, the hamstrings, and we ran through the calves as well. As always, if there's any persistent pain on the back of the knee, always seek medical advice.